Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to add Google Lens on Android devices. Google Lens is a software developed using machine learning technology for AI visual recognition. Lens is able to translate text into most languages supported by Google Translate. Lens can also use images to run searches, identify text, or translate. Many of the Android devices come with this software already integrated, but in the case you don't have Google Lens app in your device, what you can do is open your Play Store. At the very top, you can see that search box, type in their Google Lens. After app appears, you will see the option of update or install. Just tap on that option. After completion of its download, you can easily open this app and use it. Also open up your Google browser. You can see this search box, and beside the search box, you can see this Google Lens icon. From there also you can use the Google Lens. So this is how you can add Google Lens on Android devices. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.